Hi, it's Todd here from Todd Cutler, and I have got the Viking and Norman Brazil nut sword. So I'll put the sheath down for the moment, and what you have got here is an 81 centimetre 32-inch blade. It is a lovely, lovely piece. It's obviously a cut-oriented sword, so I'm just going to find the balance point, and there we are. But you have a simple cross-form hilt here, and then of course the Brazil nut pommel. We'll come to that in a moment. But it's dated round about 950 through to about 1100, 1150, something like that, if you're pushing the envelope. And then we have the Brazil nut pommel. Now, I'm going to stab in the dark and say that they didn't go down to South America and say, my goodness me, that pommel shape looks exactly like a Brazil nut. The two are accidental, and we've called it that because it's so obviously the same. But what it does with this relief under here is it allows a very comfortable grip on the hand here. So you're not getting any hot spots here on the hand. The grip itself is not super big, it's not super small, so you'll get comfortably in there, and it allows for that very sort of forward, almost hammer grip style that the Vikings seem to like. Now, the blade itself is lenticular, double-edged, sharp, type 10. And it is a lovely piece. But then we come to the scabbard. And the scabbard itself has obviously got the integrated suspension there, and it's that Z style of integrated suspension that was very favoured by the Vikings, but it still also leads in to, really into sort of Western Europe until about 1150, even 1200, even pushing the envelope a bit more before they gave up on this tied system. And the tied system itself, I've got videos on it. It might seem a little bit intimidating. It's actually really straightforward to do and very, very secure. So there we are. Oh, of course, it comes with a lovely chape as well. And there we have it. So the Viking and Norman, and when I say Viking, I know it's shorthand because there were no such thing as Vikings. They were just people who went a Viking. But anyway, you know what I mean. People who went and attacked France and England and the Netherlands liked swords like these.